Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every day during the Christmas Spectacular at 4 p.m. until Christmas Day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell notification if you would like to know when I go live to critique other people's cooking videos. All right, today we have BBQ Sausage Bites. Really easy to do. What we have here in the bowl is 1 cup of barbecue sauce, followed by a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and the final ingredient, if I would hurry up, there we go, is a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Then grab a whisk and combine everything. This recipe is perfect for a quick holiday appetizer or, once again, the dreaded office potluck. Literally takes about 20 minutes or so. And damn near everything's pre-cooked. This is another great one to get the kids involved in. And then you want to go with 2 packages of rope sausage. Doesn't matter the brand, doesn't matter the style. I went with chicken andouille sausage. And you want to place that in our barbecue sauce mix. And then you just want to grab a spoon or use your hands. And you want to make sure every single one of these 1-inch pieces of rope sausage is covered in our sauce. All right, then you're going to want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to want to put these in a roasting pan and place them in that 350 degree oven for 45 minutes. Like I said, if you need to keep these longer or hot longer, feel free to, once they're done, put them in the slow cooker on low or keep warm. And after 45 minutes, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. And these are absolutely delicious. Like I said, a great little app or something to take to that office potluck party. All right, barbecue sausage bites. Done.